Hello everyone, this is Jagjit Singh from HSP Construction. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a wall wall vent hood through the wall. Uh, many people would say why don't I use concrete coring bit? I don't have that, unfortunately. What I'm using here a rotatory hammer drill with the chisel bit, and this is very effective way to get the work done as well. But you have to be like very steady and firm with it, because this is gives you jerk back and forth, right? Here I'm using a chisel bit, and I know it's taking a little more time than coring bit, but coring bit takes time as well. This is like slowly you just chiseling the brick out, and I'm doing here 4 inches hole, because this hole I'm gonna use for a washroom exhaust fan. And washroom exhaust fans and dryer, they require 4 inches, 4 inches vent. Only the kitchen exhaust range hood, it required 6 inches. So here I'm doing a 4 inches hole. Just stay steady and firm, and sometimes it slips and slide, right? So you have to hold it like really tight. So once you feel like you got your circle, and try it out, and if you feel like it's good, then thumbs up. Now here I'm doing another hole through the wood, because there's a wood after the bricks. I'm using here dozer, 4 inches dozer with the hammer drill, Bosch hammer drill. Just the same procedure. You have to really firm with it, because this rotates really fast, and it gives you it might drive your hand like crazy. So just be careful. Here's is called wash hammer drill. That's I'm using it here. Here you go, you got the perfect round 4 inches hole through the wood as well. So now is only one thing is left. Take the vent and insert through the hole. I know it takes time, just be patient, it will be fit perfectly fine. Here you go, thumbs up.